Question number 30. Microwaves are emitted from two sources at points x and y. The two waves meet at point z. Okay. The diagram shows the paths of the two waves. Paths of two waves. The waves emitted from points x and y are coherent. What's the direction of the consequence of two waves being coherent? What will happen when they are coherent? Very simple. So, whenever you have two waves are coherent, what do you mean by that? That means it will experience a constant phase difference between the two waves at their superposition point, first one, and secondly it can lead to consistent interference pattern. Okay, now let us see whether these 2 points are say here. So it is a constant difference in the path lengths between yz and xz, yz and xz. No, this is not the one. We want phase difference over here, constant difference in phase. Okay, so there is already at point z, it's here. Okay, see here many of us will think if there is a phase difference there should also be a path difference. Why do I say this is not correct? See, it does not say at z over here. Okay, so therefore this is incorrect. So it's not very clear over here. That's the reason why we do not consider this one here. It's a constant non-zero difference. Okay, so these two are definitely incorrect because B is the right answer.